Here we are again, Dad&ally Cooks. Welcome po sa aming kusina and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Today, tayo po ay magluluto ng one of the best Kapampangan dish na nilagyan lang namin ng simpleng twist. Pero niluto namin ito sa sarili naming version. This is a simple and easy to cook dish. Ito ang pork tofu sisig. I admit, this is one of the best and one of my favorite Kapampangan dish. Sisig is a method of preparing meat, especially pork, marinated in sour liquid such as calamansi or vinegar, and seasoned with salt, pepper, and spices. And before anything else, please don't forget to like this video. If you have any comments or suggestions or reactions, kindly put it down below. And please click the subscribe button anytime and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on our upcoming videos. Okay, let's do this. Here are the ingredients. We have pork kasim, tofu, chicken liver, ground pepper, knorr liquid seasoning, red onions, white onions, long green chili pepper, red chili pepper, butter, and mayonnaise. Again, all approved by Boss Ali. Let's start cooking. First, we need to slice our pork kasim into small pieces. Next is our tofu. We need to slice it in blocks and into small pieces as well. Ang next is ang ating white onion. Kailangan natin siyang hiwain ng medyo pino. Ganito rin po ang gagawin natin sa ating red onions dahil ang sibuyas po will add spice to our pork tofu sisig. And lastly, hihiwain natin ang ating chicken liver ng pinong-pino. Okay, we're done slicing and chopping. Ngayon, papainitin na natin ang ating kawali. We will add a cup of cooking oil. We will deep fry our sliced tofu until it's golden brown in color. And then, tatakpan natin siya for about 5 minutes until maluto ng maayos ang ating tofu. After 5 minutes, we're done with the first tofu. And now, hahanguin na natin siya. And we will put it in a bowl with kitchen towel. Again, to absorb the excess cooking oil. Here it is. And then we will do the second batch of tofu. Same process. And then, after maluto ng ating second batch ng tofu, hahanguin na natin ulit. And here it is. And next, we will deep fry our marinated chicken slices. We will fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes until mag-golden brown siya and para mas chunky siya kainin. After 5 minutes of deep frying, hahanguin na natin siya and we will put it as well in a bowl with kitchen towel. On the same pan na pinagprituhan natin ang ating tofu, we will start cooking our pork tofu sisig. We will put a slice of butter, about 40 grams of butter. And then we will put our white onions. We will saute our onions for a few seconds. And then we will add our chicken liver. Chicken liver will add a unique and distinctive taste sa ating sisig. And it will also add color and texture sa ating lutuin. And then, isusunod na natin ang ating chicken slices. Mix it thoroughly para mag-blend lahat ng lasa and ingredients sa ating pork and tofu. Then we will add pepper to taste. And then we will add our knorr liquid seasoning. And then we just mix it thoroughly. By the way, kanina po, naidagdag ko na ang aking sibuyas na pula and ang aking siling na buyo. Depende po sa inyo yun, sa inyong panlasa, kung gaano po karami ang idadagdag nyong red onions. Ngayon, tayo ay maglalagay ng isang secret ingredient na talagang magpapalasa ng ating pork tofu sisig. Lalagyan natin sa kalagitnaan ng ating lutuin ang isang slice of butter. We will let it melt and then we will mix it thoroughly. Magbibigay ito ng ibang linamnam at sarap ng panlasa sa ating sisig. And then we will add our long green chili pepper. Okay. Then mix again. And lastly, idadagdag na natin ang ating mayonnaise. Usually, ang nilalagay po talaga sa ating karaniwang sisig ay yung utak ng baboy. But for us, we're avoiding the fats and the cholesterol as well. That's why we're putting mayonnaise. Somehow, they will equate in texture, but still the same in taste. So as of the moment, tatakpan na natin ang ating sisig and then we'll turn off the heat and we're done. So right now, ililipat na natin siya sa ating serving plate. Here is our cooked dish, a mixture of pork, tofu, and all the ingredients and spices, resulting into one delectable dish. Here is our simple and easy to cook pork tofu sisig. So enticing to look at and very tempting to taste.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng aming subscribers and sa magiging future subscribers pa. Thank you very much for watching our videos and thank you for visiting our kitchen. Till the next video, bye!